What's up, guys? It's Thursday, February 13th. We are in downtown Montreal. Right now I'm on the St. Catherine Street and Guy Street. From here we're gonna walk on Catherine Street and show you guys what's like after the snowstorm in Montreal in Canada. So let's do it, guys. Like I said, this is the Concordia University. I'm on the St. Catherine Street and Guy. So let's go. So you can see a lot of snow on the ground. Can you imagine in this street in summertime? It's one of the busiest streets in summertime. But look at that. Right now, heavy snow on the ground. Hey, take all those bars, restaurants on this street. First snowstorm in 2025 in Montreal. It is very cold right now after this big snowstorm. So this is René Levesque Boulevard. Check it out. So guys, it's very cold, so I'm not gonna be able to talk a lot, but I'm gonna try to show you what.
Hey buddy,
how you doing?
Hey.
Good. Let's go.
Ça, c'est à la fin du mois. Non, on le boucle pas.
c'est pas pire, hein? Ça monte. Ouais, là, c'est 15. Oui.
today, February 13, 2025. Check it out. Have to be careful crossing the street. Here in Montreal, people still enjoy Christmas and New Year. So because you can see we are in February, but you can see everything look like we see in Christmas and holiday times, New Year. I mean, check this out. Downtown Montreal, the second largest city in Canada. Wow, I'm very cold. I feel cold. So I think we can cross. Okay, let's go. Beautiful downtown Montreal on February 13, 2025. Heavy snow. The first snowstorm in a year. Check it out, guys. Welcome to downtown Montreal on snowstorm. Check this out, guys. This is Montreal. Maybe tunnel. Oh God, it's beautiful church. Wow. Check it out. Guys, you can hear in background the music from the hotel, from the Place d'État. I'm not gonna go in. There are so many restaurants, so many stores over here. Check it out. You know, they're trying to clean up the street. So this is one of the best restaurant in the town, in the city, and in the country. Check it out. The wind is very strong. It's blowing, snow blowing. Yeah. So it's is crazy weather. Crazy today. Big snowstorm. Very cold. Windy. So we are right now at a place desert. Place desert. Call it French. Check it out. Complete Desjardins. I'm not going there. I just want to show you what it's like here when there is a snowstorm. So you can see, you can compare this street with in summertime. This was like a St. Catherine street in winter, and in summer it's completely different. Completely different looking. So one of the busiest streets in summer here in downtown Montreal. Check that out. So I have to be careful because they're trying to remove the street, to clean up the street. Check it out. This is why they call it here Place des Arts. So look at this statue, this art. Check it out. I can't tell exactly what that means. Crazy day. Wow. Hi, you want to say something? You want a video? So how do you feel about today?
Yeah, good.
Big snowstorm, right?
Who am I talking to?
Yeah, you're talking to my video channel,
Where?
YouTube.
Which country? Canada?
Canada, you are in Montreal.
Yeah, Montreal.
Montreal.
No, this is Toronto. What are you talking about?
You from Toronto?
No, this is Toronto.
No, it's in Montreal.
It's Toronto here.
It's Toronto?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess you're from Toronto.
No.
You're from Montreal.
This city is Toronto. You thought it was Montreal?
Montreal.
No, this is Toronto.
Why you say that?
Montreal's that way. 600 kilometers.
Really?
Really?
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Good to know.
Tomorrow,
Okay.
this
Yeah.
will be Victoria, BC.
Oh, okay.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow are here.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
What do you want me to say?
About
Yeah, it's beautiful. Do you skate?
yeah.
You skate?
No, I
You
never.
go rent skates and come. I teach you.
Ah!
Yeah.
I never in my life. Yeah.
Go rent a pair
Oh yeah.
and I teach you for free.
Maybe tomorrow. You're gonna be here tomorrow.
No,
Oh, this is your
next Tuesday morning.
okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a plan and I come back.
Next Tuesday morning. 9 o'clock I'm here.
Okay. What's your name?
Free lesson.
Okay. Free lesson?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Dustin.
Justin. Blaze.
What?
Blaze.
Blaze?
Yeah, Blaze.
Like a blazing
No,
fire.
no, not like fire.
Blaze.
Blaze.
B-L-A-Z-E?
B-L-A-I-S-E. It's
Oh,
the first
Blaze,
name.
Blaze.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Nice name.
So if I come, where are you gonna be?
Yeah. I'm gonna be on the ice.
On here, okay. I'm gonna come.
Tuesday.
You say it's a free lesson.
I give you free lesson.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
You're very nice.
problem.
All right, good night.
Yeah, no problem.
Bye bye.
Next Tuesday.
All right, thank you.